days, these children fill in those gaps with the political drive, the university politics, which for some mean the difference between life and death. And I'm sure you all may have heard about the student from UCU who died recently here during the Makerere Student Guild elections. Your interdenominational character could be very useful, that's much more useful to the education sector in this country, because the government of NRM is very careful to ensure that we don't take these denominational religions into schools to divide our children at this early age.
Singa teyali Some Foundation omulimu gwa Bishop gwe yakola sirowooza tinalinga nja kutuuka wano gye ntuuse. Kati tubeebaza ate tubakulisayo emyaka 5 gye bamaze. Tusaba Katonda abongere emyaka emirala okuimpactinga lives z'abantu. Katusaba nti mu generation yaffe tubeere nga tu mentalinga ne wavamu ba Bishop Kibenjeri bangi.